aspire to be an accomplished online or content writer and you keep wondering how to start online writing in Kenya? Well, if you are, then this video is for you. This 5-minute video will help you to go in the right direction. Online writing jobs are a great way of making extra money or even making a living out of it, as many people are now doing in Kenya. But the million-dollar question is, how do you break even? There's a lot of misleading and misguiding information online that can give you the assertion that because you have called yourself a writer, you'll start to make millions. Well, this is not true. In fact, when you're starting out, you can barely raise money to pay your bills. But those people selling online courses and ebooks will never tell you this. This is because they are in the race of manipulating you so that you can buy from them. Some of these individuals and businesses have courses and ebooks whose information you can find for free on the internet. Instead of being misled by people who want you to buy into their products, why don't you follow this guide that I have on how to start online writing in Kenya like I did and make it big? So this guide is a 3-step guide, and the steps include the following. Research on how to start online writing in Kenya, have the right skills and tools required to start online writing in Kenya, and practice writing and start pitching for jobs. So let's get into it. 1. You should start by researching on how to start online writing in Kenya. But since you are here, you have already started out this point, but don't stop with us. Find freelance writers that are already doing it in Kenya. Not everyone will charge you or ask you to buy something so that they can teach you. You can also visit resourceful websites and blogs and learn how to start online writing in Kenya. You will discover that there are different types of writing that you can do. But what I need you to do is select one that you are good in and develop the right skills to grow your career. The next step is to have the right skills and tools required on how to start online writing in Kenya. Some of the skills and tools that you need include the following. 1. Organization skills. 2. Writing skills. And money management skills. So for the organization skills, you'll need to be highly organized if you want to get anything done. And there is a lot to keep track of. So you need to be organized. The writing skills that you need to have are the basic ones. Since you'll be writing, you need to have the basic writing skills so that you develop the writing skills that will enable you to break even. For example, different types of writing require different writing styles. But you need to practice and develop your writing skills. But however, you need to have the proper organization of thought and grammar. For the money management skills, since writing is going to be your business and probably your livelihood, you need to do the proper planning for your money. For example, if you don't have the right plan for your money, you'll have the financial constraints. Also, you need to plan your money well and live off it without much hassle. For the tools, you'll need a computer or a laptop and a reliable internet connection. But a quiet place where you'll be doing your writing is highly recommended, but it is not necessary. The last step is practice writing and pitch for jobs. Well, if you want to write a good text, you need to have the right words. Therefore, you as a writer are required to read a lot to improve your grammar and vocabulary. Through reading, you'll be able to familiarize yourself with different types of writing, learn how to organize your writing, and how to get the right layout for your writing. To put that practice into writing, you can start your own blog, or you can use your social media page to see how people will react. This will indicate to you how your writing is doing. Your blog will help you a lot in setting up a portfolio, as most clients ask for writing samples before they give you any writing task. Once you have practiced writing, the next thing I want you to do is to pitch for jobs. This is the hardest step because if you are not patient enough, you can give up. And in order to ensure that you write a good pitch, I have summed up my writing pitches and known what has worked out. I have prepared for you a pitch template that you only need to customize to write the pitch that clients will love and give you a job. I have left the link to the template in the description box below. Well, we are done. That is how you can start online writing in Kenya, the easy way and hassle-free. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing and share out our video to your loved ones. Follow us on social media so that you get the most out of our farm. Thank you for watching.